Hello guys, this is Mike, and I'm trying to record this video. I think this is gonna be my second video that I'm doing. This is HVAC live with Mike. I just wanted to make this little short video so you can see how it is to be in the HVAC industry. I work mostly in commercial HVAC, so right now I'm right here in front of a chiller, it's a Carrier 30 GT. What I did found is it was an alarm 51. It will show you right here. You press button and it will show you the alarm that it has. See, alarm 51. That's the one that it has, and you can see what the problems are. That diagram right there. Anyways, but it actually doesn't show you exactly what the problem is. Sometimes it won't even show you what the problem is, because if you rate 51, has nothing to do with what the problem is. What's part of the problem? It says high pressure, high pressure switch. So I think it went on high pressure, but the reason that it went on high pressure because when I came in, I found one of the breakers from the condensers motors tripped. That means the condenser motors are not working. So what's gonna happen is the unit is gonna go on high pressure. One of the circuits at least is gonna go on high pressure because it doesn't have enough of airflow through the condenser because the fans are off, because the breaker is off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find the condenser motor that is not working, that is either burn, open, or whatever. I think it's shorted. So that's the reason it's tripping the breaker. I have another unit on the other side that I use work on it. That unit over there, that's another chill water Carrier 30 ET as well. And I had the same problem, had the breaker trip, so I found two condenser motors bad. One that was shorter, grounded, and the other one was open. So the grounded one is the one that was tripping the breaker. The one that was open wasn't doing anything with the breaker because it's just open. So I wish I had a GoPro or something so I can show you how to troubleshoot this, how to find the bad condenser motors. It's pretty simple. It looks complicated when you look at it because it has a lot of wires, but I mean, once you get it, you know exactly how the system works, what each breaker is. I mean, it's simple. It doesn't take that much. I'm still learning though. Don't get me wrong, I don't know everything. I'm still learning. I've been in the HVAC only for a year and a half, so I'm still learning a lot. I still have a lot to learn. So hope you guys enjoy your day. And this is HVAC Live with Mike. Have a good one.